Alright, so today is not going to be a coding video. I'm going to be talking about how I want to become an FPV drone pilot. And I think this is a unique perspective because I'm coming from somebody who programs autonomous drones, and now I want to become an FPV pilot. And I tried to do this around 4 years ago when I first got into drones, and the way that I got into it was actually just looking on YouTube and seeing these guys do all these flips and fly super fast. But basically I ended up wasting a bunch of money because I didn't know what I was doing. I bought a bunch of parts that didn't work and broke stuff, and yeah, I just ran out of money. But it's okay, so I'm actually a lot wiser now because I ended up actually starting a drone club that works on autonomous drones at my college, and I worked on that for around 2 or 3 years, and I just got done with college, and so I'm taking some of that knowledge and I'm focusing it towards FPV, and it's really helping me out. So the first thing that I learned was get a simulator before you start your journey in FPV, because you're going to crash a lot. It is actually a lot harder than it looks to fly these FPV drones. Like, what you're watching right now is not even that good, and it took me around 20 hours to be able to do this. Yeah, it's just different from flying the autonomous drones, like the Arty Pilot drones. Even if you don't have GPS, like, the drone will push itself back level, and it's just so much easier to fly. So yeah, I've started out with that simulator, and then I also bought a Tiny Whip little FPV drone, and this drone is probably around 3 inches, and I can like fly it in my house, and it connects to my RC controller and my FPV goggles. So I've been practicing on that, and I think I'm about ready to actually go to a full-size FPV drone, but I'm kind of out of money right now, so hopefully in the next couple months I can move up. But yeah, this is what the series is going to be about, is just me becoming an FPV pilot, and I hope you guys like enjoy the process and learn something from the stuff that I'm doing. So yeah, keep it classy. Enjoy.